Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SHIB video update for Tuesday 12th of July. In yesterday's video I actually left you with a double top for SHIB right now, and so far SHIB is actually looking to go that place. I just want to dive into the 1 hour time frame and see if we do have a bear flag. So at the moment, yes, yep, you do have a bear flag. So you did went down like this on a 1 hour time frame, made the bear flag, and the technical target out of this bear flag is going to be from there to there, and you're looking for SHIB to basically drop all the way down to this level, which is going to be 968. Now the thing really is that when you go to 968, it's going to be pretty clear that you're going to be breaking a neckline, right? So this is some sort of a neckline that you're putting in for double top. So this is your first top and your second top right there, and you're coming down to this level. This is going to be way more less noisy if you're diving into the daily. And here we are, picture perfect. Okay, double top here. So I'm just going to bring this one into the center so that we can talk about this one quickly. Yep, you actually made that move to the upside, make the double top, and right now you're looking to come down to actually continue even way lower. Number two is that you're putting in almost a 3 black cross. So let's say you do come down to 968, then you're putting in a 3 black cross, because when you see those red candles, 3 red candles back to back, something like this, then there's another 3 black cross, and then that's a continuation pattern to go even way lower. So my friend, this is going to be the same thing. You come down to 968, you lose the neckline as well, you go for the retest, and you come all the way down to 840, which is a technical target out of this double bottom. Simple put, nothing fancy here. The only way to flip bullish is to come up, break this level, and move higher. And that's it for this update on SHIB. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.